Merry Christmas!
So we wanted to give a huge shout out to all of you guys who have been following along on our journey. It was a slow start, but we are so excited to be sharing Christmas with you guys from New Mexico.
So the main reason why we first made our channel is to obviously document our travels for our friends and family and for us to look back at in the future. But another reason is to help inspire people to do what they're truly passionate about. You know, I mean, a year ago we definitely didn't know we were going to be traveling in an RV, but you know, we were super passionate about traveling, and you can do anything you put your mind to. If you want to go renovate an RV, you know, put your mind to it, figure out what it takes to do it and do it. If you want to pursue a new position at your job, figure out what you need to do and, you know, put your mind to it. You can do anything you want.
And then we do have some exciting news for 2021. We have had a couple of requests to do a Patreon page or something of that nature, and we are working on it. We should be rolling it out in the next couple of weeks. Early 2021 is our goal, but we will let you guys know as soon as that's up.
And also, I am a little bit behind on editing. The goal for 2021 is to come out with videos more often. I would like to post at least once a week, but at least if it's not once a week, it's more often than I have been, so.
And then it's always Merry Christmas. Thank you guys for watching, and we hope you are spending it with someone you love, someone you care about, and if you're not, make sure you reach out to them, especially during this year where we've kind of been isolated on our own for a lot of the time. Making sure you're reaching out to those people that you do love, that you care about, even if it's someone that you haven't spoken to in a while, just to wish them Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye.